Okay. Now we revision first. Now, okay, I want all of you take out this book first. Don't write first. Okay, you put first. We revision the yesterday one. Okay, I want all of you take out your activity book. We revision first. Okay. We revision page number 6 and 7. So all of you take out your reader book first. Okay, so we revision first the yesterday topic. Okay, still remember what teacher yesterday got teach you, right? I have one nose. I have one nose. I have one mouth. I have one mouth. I have 2 ears. I have 10 fingers. Okay, this one is I have one nose. Okay, we all got one nose. Where is your nose? Ni. This one we call hidung, nose. Okay, nose. Mulut. Okay, this one is we call mulut, mouth. Okay, ears. Ears is these two. Telinga. This one 10 fingers. Which one is your 10 finger? This one. Okay, because you got 10 fingers. Okay. This one can understand now. 1. You must say I have one nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears, 10 fingers. Okay. This one, so you must know how many you have. Okay, how many ears you have, how many eyes you have, how many nose you have, how many mouth you have. Okay, we got how many ears? Kita ada berapa telinga? How many ears? 2 or 3? How many ears we have? Kita ada 2 telinga. So, how many nose we have? Berapa hidung kita ada? How many nose we have? Nose. Nose got how many? Nose got 1. Okay, nose ada hidung ada 1 saja. How many eyes we have? Berapa mata kita ada? 2. Okay, we have 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears, 10 little fingers. Okay, we got little fingers. Kita ini panggil jari. Okay, ini kita panggil jari. So, I have 1 nose. I have 1 mouth. I have 2 ears. I have 10 fingers. Okay, this one today we revision this one first. Okay, we go to the next one. This one still remember or not? That yesterday teacher got teach you, right? Boy, hand, eye. Okay, boy. How to spell boy? How to spell boy? B-O-Y, boy. Okay, how to spell hand? How to spell hand, class? H-A-N-D, hand. How to spell I? E-Y-E, eye. Okay, you must know. Okay, boy and girl. What is different between boy and girl? Boy got short hair. Okay, boy got short hair. Then he like to wear t-shirt, pants. Then the girl also got long and short hair. Girl is got beautiful one. So this is the girl. Girl like to wear the dress. Like to wear the blouse. So this is boy. Okay, who is boy? Who is boy? Deacon, are you boy? Deacon, are you boy or girl? Okay, who is your boy? Okay, Deacon is boy. Then who is a girl? Me, teacher Reno is girl. Then someone who is girl? Wenxuan, Manglina. Okay, we all girl. Okay, boy and girl. We have different. Boy is different. Girl is different. Okay, hand. Which one is your hand? This one. This one is your hand. You can do with your hand what? You can wash hand. You can eat. Okay, you can clap your hands. Okay, you can hold the pencil. Okay, you hold the pencil. You can write. Okay, what you can do with your leg? You can walk. Okay, in your leg you can walk. You can jump. Okay, the leg. Hand. This one is hand. Okay, where is your hand? Show me your hand. This one is my hand. Okay, this one is my hand. Okay, in front, behind. Okay, eye. Okay, where is your eyes? This one. This one is your eyes. What you can do with your eyes? You can look. Okay, you can look around. You can see the book. You can see outside. You can see inside. We use our eyes to look. Okay, nose. Nose. What you do with your nose? You can smell. You can smell good smell, bad smell. Okay, like that we can smell. Okay, so this one is for today. Okay, now I want all of you look in front first. Okay, we read the phonic. Okay, phonic first. Okay, phonic. You must know what is phonics. Okay. This one. Okay, this one first. Okay, this one first. Okay, we read. Okay, still remember the vowels? Vowels. Okay, VOWELS. Vowels. Okay, vowels. Dia punya sound dia berbeza tau. A, the sound should be A. A. E. Okay, A. E. I, E. Okay, when you telling the sound I, E. Okay, kena buka E. O, O. O, O. U, A. U, A. Okay, the sound is like that. A, E, I, O, U. Got how many? Got 5. Ada 5 tau. Ini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ini 5 mesti kena ingat. Okay, you must write. Teacher that day ask you to write in paper. You can write in your book also can. Okay, you can write in your book. You can revision. Okay, what is A, E, I, O, U? Okay, later teacher will show you a video about the vowels one. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can sing with teacher first. Okay, read one. This one, read together. A is A. E is A. I is E. O is O. U is ak. Okay? Can understand this one, the vowels? Can class? Can? Okay, good. So I want one by one read for me. Every day teacher asks you this one, you must know how to read. This one teacher also got teach you the action, right? Okay. A is up. E is, okay, E sound is you take the egg. Okay, this one is chitan. Okay, you take the egg, you broke like this. Okay, you ambil telur. Okay, you pecahkan telur. Okay, broke. Sound. I is inci. Okay, inci. inci your body. So, I for inci. O is O. U is ak. Okay, so you must remember the sound of the words. Okay, I want Dika read for me this all thing. First, I want start you read this first, then only go to the next. First, I want you read this one for me. Deacon, can you hear me? Deacon, can you hear me or not? Can you read this one for teacher Reno? Deacon? Hello, Deacon, can you hear? Okay, Deacon, read this one for me. A. Teacher got teach you, right? Teacher got teach you many times. You must know. This one is A. R. Okay, louder, Deacon. E. E. A. I. Okay, good. O. Okay, good. U. U R. Not U E. Okay, this one Dika for you read for me. A is A. E is A. Okay, others all look here first. You look how your friend read. Okay, you must listen. One by one, later you read for me. Okay. Because next E is A. Okay, next I is E. Okay, good. O is okay. U is ak. Okay, very good, Deacon. Okay, now Menglina tolong baca untuk cikgu yang ni. A. Good. Okay, good. O bunyi dia apa? O. Okay, U. R. Menglina, ini you are. Okay. Ini tolong baca yang ni. Tolong baca yang ni. A is apa? A is a. Okay, next. E is okay, Sanjivan, can you read this one for me, Sanjivan? Sanjivan can? Can okay, Sanjivan read this one for me. E A. Sanjivan, look in front, Sanjivan. Look here, teacher book. E. O, why? O sound is what? O. Okay. U sound is what? U are. Okay, next. A is what? A is a. E is what? A. Okay, good. I is what? E. O is O. U is ak. Okay, very good. So next I want mention, you read this one for me. Can I mention? Okay, good. You are. You are. Okay, good mention. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Ak. Who said ow? Ak. Okay, you is okay. So now Yap Yu Tong. Hello, Yap Yu Tong. Yap Yu Tong. Morning. Okay, Yap Yu Tong, read for me. 老师这个E. Good. A is Sun Chong. A is Okay. Good. U is Okay, very good. All of you good, very good. Okay, clap for you all. Yay. Okay, so all of you can read our vowels. Okay, you must remember the vowels. Okay, now we want to write the book. Okay, now I want all of you take out the writing book. What letter? What letter today you're going to write is D. Okay, D, letter D. D. D for deer, D for door. Okay, now you take out your pencil. Okay, take out your pencil and eraser first. Okay, you see, what picture is this first? Okay, we see this one is deer. Okay, deer. Okay, ini door. D for deer, D for door. Okay, first I want all of you trace writing letter D. D, mommy D. 这个 mommy D, 这个 baby D. 看 mommy D is big, baby D is small. Mommy D is big, baby D is small. So I know you orang tulis yang ni. First baris punya, first D. Okay, D D, B, mommy D, we write mommy D. Okay, when you writing the mommy D, you can count now 1, 2. When you writing, you boleh kira macam mana tulis. Ini satu line, 1, 2. Like that. Okay. So when you writing the D, you know how to write the mommy D. One line, second line. Okay. D, 1, 2. Okay, write properly young class. Follow the line and write properly, okay? Okay, when you writing, you see the first how to trace, okay? How to trace the big letter D, okay? Big letter D, okay? Okay, D, D, 1, 2. Okay, like this. When you writing the D, you can count first. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Matthew, can Matthew, this one D, mommy D, teka, right, take pencil, write D, D for this one. Sanjeevan can write. Sanjeevan can write or not, Sanjeevan? Can Deacon, are you okay? D for Deacon. Is this D for Deacon? So we write the D first. D. Mommy D. This one you think this one is Mommy D. Okay, Mommy D is very big one. Okay, the D like look like this. D. Mommy D. Okay. Baby D is small. Small one. Okay, baby D is small. Okay. You can count when you're writing the D, you can count 1, 2, like this. 1, 2. Okay. Matthew can this one D D, this page dear and door D. Okay, Menglina boleh Menglina. Boleh, okay, right. Okay, after you write the B, Mommy D, I want you all write the baby D. Baby D is small one, very, very small one. So, when you're writing the baby D, you must write like this. Small circle first, 1, go up, go down. You see, when you're writing the D, circle, small D circle, go down. This one is Mommy D, this one is Baby D. Baby D also you can count now. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oops. Sorry. 1, 2. Okay. D for deer. Okay, D for deer, D for door. Who like deer? Who like deer? Who like deer? Do you like deer? Yes, I like deer. You like, You like yes. Okay, door. You know door? You knock the door. Who is this? Who is this? Can I come inside? This one is door. Okay? Again, teacher show you. This one is door. Okay, if you want to come inside, ini kita panggil pintu. Okay, if you want to come inside, you must knock the door. Hello, can I come in? Hello, miss. Hello, ma'am. Can I come in? You knock. Hello, teacher. Can I come inside? You knock the door. This one we call door. This one is deer. Okay, deer. Okay, first row you finish writing the Mommy D. Second row you finish, must write. I want all of you show to me first. When you write ready, you show your first this one to me, then only you go to the next one. You don't do first, I want you see, show to teacher Renu. Okay? Okay, we write first. Okay, we write together. Teacher also write. Teacher also write. Teacher must write properly. Okay, we write together. We write, spell the words. Okay. No need to write day and date. Tak payah tulis tarikh, tak payah tulis tarikh and date. No need to write. Later teacher will write one. Okay, you just write the letter. Then after we finish, last we color the picture. Can see Sanjivan? Can? Can, right? D, Matthew, lecture D, you write D, mommy D, baby D, okay? Okay, after you finish this one, okay, you all finish or not this one first? You finish, you say, yes teacher, I finished this one. I want see first, one by one. Show to teacher first. Okay, very good Manglina. Ni kena tulis betul yang dear. Okay, ni kena ikut dia punya garisan. Okay. Okay, after you finish this one, we go to this writing. This one is we call dear. D-E-E-R, dear. This one is door. D-O-O-R, door. Okay, if you finish ready, later teacher want to show you video. We sing song, okay? You want songs? You like songs or not? Later teacher show songs. 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 Sanjivan, up your book. I cannot see. Okay, good. This one got 3 lines. Write properly. You spell the word. This one is dear. Okay, dear and door. How to spell dear, Sanjivan? D-E-E-R is dear. This one D. E R, dear. This one is door. How to spell door? Wenxuan. Okay, Wenxuan, very nice your picture one, very colorful. Okay, when you color the picture, color nice class. Very good, very nice Wenxuan. So, after you dry this one, I want all of you start color first. Okay, first you finish, then only you color. Okay? Deacon done, Deacon. What Wenxuan? What do you say? Okay. D for deer. Okay. Very nice, Deacon. Deacon, very good. Deacon, very good. High five. D for what, Deacon? D for Deacon?
D for what?
Dear. D for? Door. Very good, Deacon. Deacon, very good. Okay, D for dear, D for door. Okay, you must know how to write the words. You must write in the 3 lines. Okay, D for dear, D for door. Okay. So after you write, you color the picture. You can color what color you like. Okay. Color like this. Can see ah. Okay, door. Can see ah. Okay, we learn until D. D for deer, D for door. Okay, D for deer, D for door. Okay, who finish? Show to teacher again. I want C first. Okay, just now I saw. Okay, mention done. Okay, good. Deacon dan Melina dah siap? Dah siap ke belum? Okay. We wait for your other friends. Sanjeevan. Okay, Matthew dan Sanjeevan and Yap Yutong. Okay. D for what class? D for deer. Okay. Okay, now all of you can keep your book first. Okay, all of you keep your book first. I want all of you look teacher in front. Okay, you look teacher first. Teacher got bring what? It's time to read the cards. We read the flashcard. Okay. We read the flashcard first. Okay. This one is what class? Apple, arrow, bee, bear, very good. Cow, cow, carrots. This one is what? Door. Okay, you knock. Okay, can I come inside? You knock. Then you open, you close. This one is door. This one is door. You want to come inside, you want to knock first. Then only you come inside. You cannot open, you cannot go inside. If you want to come inside, you knock first. Hello, can I come? Like that. You must ask first. This one we call door. Okay, D-O-O-R, door. This one is what? Deer. This one is deer. Okay, this one we call deer. Okay? Can understand? Okay, so this one. Okay, Sanjeevan done. Very good, Sanjeevan. Okay, I want one by one you read for me. No need to spell the word. Just read for me. Okay, I want to start with Wenxuan first. Wenxuan, read for me. Read, okay, good. Arrow. Ah, B. Okay. 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 Okay, good. Okay, very good. Very good, Matthew. Very good. Okay, now I want Sanjivan read for me. Sanjivan. B. Sanjivan, look properly, Sanjivan. Bear. Cow. Carrots. This one? Deer. Okay, very good, Sanjivan. Now, I want Manglina baca untuk cikgu. Okay, good. Okay, very good. Now, Deacon, can you read this one for me, Deacon?
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh? Carrot. This one? Okay, good. Okay, that one is not rabbit, carrot. Not rabbit, carrot. Okay. Yap Yutong. Okay, now Yap Yutong, Tekan semua. Good. Arrow, good. B, bzz, B. Okay, B. Okay, good. Cow. Carrots, okay. Nor, okay, good. Okay, very good, Yamito. Matthew, can Matthew? This one is what, Matthew? Apple. Arrow. B. Bear. Cow. Carrots. Door. Door. Deer. Okay, very good, Matthew. So all of you can read, so clap for yourself. Very good. All very good. Yay. Okay, so today we learn letter D and we read the vowels. Okay. Now teacher want to share you a video. Okay, we see the video first. Okay. See. D. Okay, D. On my jump, playing drums is a lot of fun. See me play small bump my drum. Can you hear our class? Eggs in the pan. Can listen? Okay, all of you can listen, class. This one? Okay, now can listen? Hello. Can listen or not? Next week. Okay, so now you all can keep your book, keep your color pencil, everything. So, thank you, class. Okay, bye. Thank you, class. Bye. Bye.